Something big is changing at the stadium right now, and it's not just one area. From the south goal finally reaching a major milestone to new structural work starting in key corners and serious progress high up on the compression ring, things are moving fast. Let's take a closer look at everything that's happening right now. The south goal section has reached a major milestone this week, as the entire area is now fully covered with slab panels, completing a previously unfinished phase. Where scaffolding, supports, and floor panels were still visible before, the structure is now completely sealed with no gaps remaining. At the same time, initial steel connection elements have started appearing in the south goal corner, marking the beginning of the next phase there. Work in this corner has recently slowed after a period of intense activity. The lamellas in this section are now fully installed, and the sandwich panel platform in front has also been completed, including flooring and safety railings. While no new anchors have been added yet, the structure is clearly prepared for the next phase. Attention has shifted temporarily to other zones, especially north goal. The compression ring continues to be one of the most active and critical construction zones. New segments, including radial beams and structural phalanges, have been installed in recent days, expanding the upper framework of the stadium. Workers are actively connecting these elements, while scaffolding platforms are being lifted and repositioned to support ongoing work at height. At the same time, several large components remain staged on the ground, ready to be lifted next, indicating steady progress and continuous installation in this upper section. Tower cranes are actively lifting platforms and positioning structural elements. Several phalanges remain on the ground, indicating that continuous installation work will take place over the coming days. Work continues inside the lateral structure using elevated platforms, although visible activity fluctuates. One of the most notable developments is the installation of black façade panels in VIP areas. This section has already passed the halfway point in coverage, showing rapid progress compared to just a few days earlier. Two major structural zones covered with sandwich panels are advancing quickly. One structure is nearly complete, while the other is still receiving new panel installations. These elements are being actively lifted and installed, indicating ongoing finishing work in these sections. Ground-level work continues near the outer corner, close to La Masia. The area is being filled with soil, and the ground level has visibly increased. Compaction work is underway, preparing this zone for future structural or access developments. The north goal corner is currently one of the busiest areas on site. Multiple lifting platforms are operating simultaneously. Workers are focused on preparing anchors and connections for lamella installation. Although no new lamellas have been added recently, all preparations indicate that installation will resume soon. Workers in this section are actively adjusting and refining anchor points and bolts on the beams. Some are removing protective coatings or preparing surfaces, ensuring proper alignment and readiness for the next installation phase. Guide elements for lamella supports are already in place in certain areas. The central section of North Goal currently shows limited visible progress compared to the corners. While interior corridor work continues, no new major installations like sandwich panels have been added. This suggests a phased approach, prioritizing corner sections first. In the upper levels, workers are using hydraulic tools to modify concrete sections between beams and slabs. This precise work is likely part of structural adjustments or preparation for future installations. Additional components for lamella support connections are already installed on nearby beams. In the Tribuna, a major development is the installation of connection elements for lamella supports. These connections have noticeably larger spacing compared to other sections. Most of them are already installed, with only a few remaining to complete the sequence. The elevator structure in this section is nearing completion, with only minor additions being installed. A new beam is currently being positioned using a lifting platform. Meanwhile, the first overhang area shows limited visible changes, suggesting that major structural work there is already completed. The final corner area shows moderate activity, with workers present in interior corridors and walkways. Some structural pillars still require concrete finishing, and insulation materials are visible in certain sections. Glass installations in the facade are already in place, giving a clearer view of the stadium's final appearance. That's all for today's update on the Camp Nou construction. The progress is accelerating, and the transformation is becoming more visible with every passing day. If you enjoyed this update, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future progress. I'll see you in the next update.